Hello, good evening everyone. So today I would like to share about my new build, my e-bike that I have just built with my son. Say something. Okay. This is the Recumbent bike that I have converted into an e-bike. At the back of the bicycle, Recumbent bike, we have a battery inside the box. Then we have a DC brush motor. So you might be wondering why I use DC brush motor, because this DC brush motor come with a free wheel, so that with the free wheel you will not feel the motor resistance. See here, this is the free wheel, so you can pedal like a normal bicycle. When the motor is not in use, you can pedal like a normal bicycle without having the feeling of the motor resistance. So if the motor also stop, then you can glide like a normal bicycle. So how to control the speed of the motor? We have here the thumb control. So to switch on the motor, press the switch and press it again to off. Okay. Now I will demonstrate how to operate the motor. Switch on. Okay, my son will help me to operate the throttle. So this is how the system works. Then pegangkan